Hello there. I'm just checking in to see how you're liking the tip of the week. It's a new thing for us, and I'm hoping that we become your resource for anything YouTube and TubeBuddy. For those who don't know me, I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of The Senior Tuber, and we're here to help mature content creators grow their YouTube channel at any level that they're at, from not having a channel yet to being a seasoned creator, but somebody who wants to do better with the videos they're uploading. Because after all, if you're spending a lot of time creating amazing videos and nobody's getting to see them, that's not the greatest thing. We want to help you get seen once you make those great videos. So keep checking your tip of the week. Stay in touch with us so we can help you. Join our Facebook community where we do a lot of things with our members, helping them with our teachable moments and to give you some new information and to support each other. So go ahead and check the link below for our Senior Tuber Facebook community and join us for whenever you need some help. In the meantime, take the tips that we've mentioned here and let's get your channel working better. Have a great day. Thank you.